everybody. KC0 VI Tom. Hope the mic's working pretty good. Duke ate the windscreen off on his pack and fell on the floor before he could grab it. It made throwing his butt in the cage a lot easier when I left the house. We're in Albert Lea, Minnesota, the home of the Tigers. When I was in high school at Austin, the Austin Packer and the Albert Tigers had a big rivalry going on back then, very large. A lot of extracurricular activity between the student bodies, we'll say it. Would make a very good video, but I'm not quite sure if there's any statute of limitations on what had happened, what we did. And I would have to get together with some of my classmates to see what stories were true and what were not true, what was hearsay. And a lot of us were brought in front of the superintendents, the principals, threatened with expulsion, detention, not graduating high school. But we all had a lot of fun, except for me. You know, I was home Friday and Saturday nights drinking warm milk and reciting Bible verses. Well, no lightning bolt, so it must be true. Why am I reminiscing again about days gone by? Because we're here at Bonnerup Funeral and Cremation Service here in Albert Lea. No, I'm not planning anything. This is Bonnerup's first car show they've done here. They were telling me they had a couple other places that they are associated with that did one. It turned out real good. Let's go for a walk and see what we can see. Enjoy the cars. Not only did Duke eat the windscreen, he also nicked the wires so he lost her mic. So we'll just pretend this is one of those late night movies where the sound doesn't match the lips. Bonnerup did a real good job on their first annual car show. They're talking about doing this again next year at this time. I saw this on Facebook, so keep an eye on that. Good job. 7-3 everybody, take care. Be sure to tell your friends, neighbors, other hams. Subscribe, hit that bell to get notification when new videos come out. Add comments below. 7-3 everybody.